Strangely, most people don't even keep their cars for as long. Solar's a 25-year investment. That's how it should be looked at. So while a cheaper system may give you 1 year, maybe 2 years better payback, really it won't last any more than 5 years, maybe 7 or 8 years at best. And certainly some of the cheaper systems, really cheap systems, we've seen panels fail within sort of that 2 to 3 year time frame, and the manufacturer has gone bust and there's no warranty support. So while there may be a perception that you save a little bit of money up front, certainly over the longer term you're a long way behind and you end up finding you need to buy again or upgrade that system or get an electrician out to, which is very expensive, to sort of fix and remedy those issues. Buying quality means that you're going to have a system that lasts that 25 years. So there's only 2 or 3 manufacturers that actually have a 25-year warranty, and most of the rest have a 10-year warranty. So a 25-year warranty is certainly rare in the industry, and it says something about the confidence of a manufacturer to give a warranty that's that long. They stand behind their product, and that gives us a lot of confidence that they're going to be there to support us all the way through that 25-year period. And same can't be said for other manufacturers out there. A lot of the cheaper end of town, look, there might even be a 10 years, but even with that, they end up arguing the toss over even very small faults in their panel. So it can be even difficult in that 10 years to get a replacement if there is a fault.